Gracefulness, or being graceful, is a physical characteristic of displaying pretty agility, in the form of elegant movement, poise, or balance. The etymological root of grace is the Latin word gratia from gratis, meaning pleasing. Gracefulness has been described by reference to its being aesthetically pleasing. For example, Edmund Burke wrote, "Gracefulness is an idea not very different from beauty. It consists of much the same things. Gracefulness is an idea belonging to posture and motion. In both these, to be graceful, it is requisite that there be no appearance of difficulty. There is required a small inflection of the body, and a composure of the parts in such a manner, as not to encumber each other, not to appear divided by sharp and sudden angles." The difficulty in defining exactly what constitutes gracefulness is described in this analysis of Henry Bergson's use of the term. The organic form of drama is most clearly suggested in Bergson's use of the word gracefulness. Gracefulness is not imposed from without but generated from within. Gracefulness is the immateriality which passes into matter. In this formulation, the soul, or what Bergson elsewhere calls the alien vital, the life force, shapes the matter that contains it. The soul is not immobilized by matter, as it is in comedy, but remains infinitely supple and perpetually in motion. Gracefulness is often referenced by simile, with people often being described as being as graceful as a swan, or as graceful as a ballerina. The concept of gracefulness is applied both to movement, and to inanimate objects. For example, certain trees are commonly referred to as being graceful, such as the Betula albozinensis, Prunus exudensis Yoshino cherry, and Areca catacu betel nut palm. Gracefulness is sometimes confused with gracility, or slenderness, although the latter word is derived from a different root, the Latin adjective gracilis, masculine or feminine, or gracile, neuter, which in either form means slender, and when transferred for example to discourse, takes the sense of without ornament, simple, or various similar connotations. The shorter Oxford English Dictionary remarks of gracility, for example, recently misused through association with grace for gracefully slender. This misuse is unfortunate at least, because the terms gracile and grace are completely unrelated. The etymological root of grace is the Latin word gratia from gratis, meaning pleasing and nothing to do with slenderness or thinness.